Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. CYBL stock. Why am I talking about Cybl? Cybl has been in CE since 2022. We're going on to year 3 in a couple months. In 3 months, or 3 months and a half if you want to be specific. We will be down here for almost 3 years. Almost, but not quite. Quite a bit of a drop. It's going to be a while before we even get any news on whether this is going to come out of CE. But the bottom is at 007. There are people who are able to buy. If you're able to buy this, there's opportunity to make money here by buying it under 002. The absolute bottom is at 0007, but buying at 002s, accumulating it around there, there's opportunity to buy it and then take profit when it goes to 003 or even higher. Because this thing, despite being in CE, those who can buy, there's still opportunities down here as long as you're not buying the very top, right? You don't want to buy at 005s or at the very top you're at 0075 when it got that pop. Like, despite it being in CE, it's still getting its moves. You can see clearly the price action. It comes down here, no one wants it, then it gets some PR or news on during earnings, during their most recent 10Q, it pops, and then it just rinse and repeats this pattern. So if you're able to buy this, I'm assuming Canada can buy, or I think there are countries that can buy. I don't think we can buy unless you're using speedtraders.com. I don't trust them, so I don't use them. But if you're patient and you exercise discipline, there is money to make here. Buy it under 002s, load up down there, and then when it pops, take profit at 003 for 50%. If it can break above that to 004, take the 100% and be content and be happy. So those are my targets. So let me remove this. Let me clean it up for you guys. And let me just show you here. These are your targets. 004 and 003. Be content with the 25, 50, 40%, whatever the case may be. Because those who can buy right now, I mean, there's the trading range. There's money to be made. And you guys know me. You know how much I love trading ranges. If you want to... There's a Microsoft Word document in the description below. I wrote like a 14-page story or book, I guess. Booklet, pamphlet, whatever. You can read it while you're taking a dump. I wrote it for you guys to give you an insight as to how I've grown as a trader from 2020 to now. And I tell you my strategies and what my thought process is. And so if you want to check that out, link in the description below. It's absolutely free. There are going to be errors on it. It's only draft number 2. So I'll publish it on Amazon, but probably not print because it's too short of a book anyways. But the PDF, not EPUB, what's the word I'm looking for? The ebook version should be out by the end of the year. But other than that, you can just look at the Word document in the description below. And that's it for the video, guys. So if you are able to buy this, there is opportunity. And I think Speed Traders, let me see if I can find it for you guys. I heard Speed Traders is... I heard you can, like, don't take my word for it, but I heard speedtrader.com here. I don't know. They're not paying me, just to be clear. I'm just telling you that I heard you can buy Cybl with an account with Speed Traders. So just be aware. I don't know anything about them. Never even heard of them. Don't trust them, quite frankly. That's just how I am. I'm not going to trust something I've never even heard of because I guess it's not that popular. Usually you just hear about Schwab or Webull or all the other brokers, the popular ones. So just be aware that, who knows? They might be a scam as far as we know. But other than that, I think Canadians and other people can buy. So there's your trading plan. I just gave you the trading plan, man. I wish I could buy. I'd be buying right now and holding it for the next earnings. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.